AI is speeding up software development. But here's the twist. It's also speeding up cyber attacks. And most companies aren't ready for what's coming next. Before we go deeper, hit like, subscribe, and drop a quick comment. It really helps the channel reach more people learning about AI. Luttwak, the chief technologist at Wiz, says cybersecurity has always been a mind game. Every time new tech shows up, attackers adapt. And right now, AI is giving them new tools and faster attack paths. Developers are using AI agents to ship code faster. But Wiz found many of those AI-generated applications had weak authentication simply because the AI wasn't told to secure it. Speed is winning over security. Meanwhile, attackers are doing the same thing. They use prompts and AI agents to break in, steal data, and move across systems. Some attacks even tell your internal AI tools to hand over secrets. One recent case, Drift, an AI chatbot startup, was breached. Attackers stole authentication tokens and used them to impersonate the chatbot and pull Salesforce data from companies like Cloudflare and Palo Alto Networks. And in another attack called S1 Singularity, malware hijacked AI developer tools like Claude and Gemini to automatically search systems and steal private GitHub repos. Even though only about 1% of enterprises have fully adopted AI, Wiz is already seeing AI involved in attacks every week. The takeaway? If you're building with AI, security has to start from day one. Not later. Not after a breach. If you want to stay ahead, watch the related video in the corner. And if this helped you think differently, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.